Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm going from this to this. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, you might remember the haul from Joann's with the Aurora Borealis rhinestones. Well, today I'm going to be using the large ones and the small ones. And the first thing I'm going to do is put a large one right in the center. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is put a small one at the beginning of this opening here, right above it. And you don't want to use too much glue because it will go through. That's why I've got my silicone mat. This silicone mat I found at Walmart in the baby department, and it's actually supposed to be for their high chairs, but this works wonderfully. Okay, I've got those all on, and the next thing I'm going to do is put one at the very top of the ones that are alternating between. And I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on this side and one on this side. And I'm going to continue down. And then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, I got that all done. And now I'm going to put a stone right here and right here. Okay, and I'm going to continue that all the way around, and I'll be back. Okay, I got that done all the way around. And don't worry about the strings because you can always use a heat gun or a hair dryer to get rid of those. But the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come right in here below where I first started, and I'm going to put a stone in each one of those. And I know everybody's thinking about Valentine's Day, but it's still winter. And I'll be back when this is done. Okay, they're all on. And now the last thing that I'm going to do is put a stone right here at the base of this tree-shaped stone. And I'm not doing more than 2 at a time because this glue really does cool down. You really don't need much. Because once you press these stones down, it spreads out over the bottom. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. And there it is. Completely done. Totally blinged out. And like I said, for the strings, and I don't know if you can see them, but there's some right in here. I'm just going to use the heat gun. And they're gone. And like I said, I can still hang these as an ornament, but I think you're going to be seeing these on a tablescape. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.